Hi, Chef Tate here. Thank you so much for getting the sourdough starter, and I know you're going to enjoy it as much as I enjoy baking bread. This is a fantastic starter that you have, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to feed it and keep it alive. What you're going to need is a scale, preferably a digital scale. Goes into metrics so we can keep track of how much we're adding. We need some flour. You need some water. Water needs to be around 84, 85 degrees Fahrenheit. And we need our starter. I'm going to put a clean container on my scale. Zero it out. I'm going to add 50 grams of water to the container. Doesn't have to be perfect, plus or minus a little bit. We have 50 grams of water. I'm going to tare or zero that out, and I'm going to add 50 grams of flour to the water. Okay, now I have my flour. I'm going to zero that out. Now we need 25 grams of starter into here to keep feeding it. So a lot of things you can do. I'm going to take 25 grams. I'm going to pour it out. With the remaining starter, that's what you would bake with. And so you just need to keep 25 grams to keep it going. So follow the instructions I gave you, that if you want to double or triple or really increase your starter, I showed you, give you some tips on how to do that. Then, after that, all you need to do is take something and mix it all together well. All right. And sourdough starter cleans up so well with a little bit of water. So I have it mixed. I'm cleaning it up. I am going to put a lid on it, but don't put it too tight because you'll form gas. Let it sit, and there you go. You'll have your sourdough fed, and you have your other one that you can use to bake with.